This is Chuck, VP of Sales for his company. This is a big day for Chuck. Today, Chuck is giving a presentation to a longtime client. Chuck knows what's at stake. He needs to walk out of this meeting with a renewed distribution contract. The presentation is going well, and the client is pleased. He tells Chuck that he's looking to consolidate services by using one vendor for the U.S. and Canada, and asks Chuck if his company can handle that. This is a huge opportunity. Chuck steps out of the meeting. He has his assistant make some calls for details on service level information and pricing. While his client patiently waits, Chuck gets a call back. The information he needed to close the deal could not be gathered until the next day. Chuck is forced to reschedule the meeting and walks away without that signed contract. Now, let's see how that same scenario would go with Mobile BI Solutions from Meekin Associates. On his way to the meeting, Chuck takes a quick glance at the service level metrics for this customer. Everything looks good, and Chuck walks into his meeting with confidence. Just as before, everything is going well, and the customer asks about servicing the U.S. and Canada. This time, it's different. Chuck explains to the client that not only can he get the information requested, but he can also tell him how much more the combined service will cost. It all starts with one quick email. While Chuck explains his company's experience with distribution in Canada, Lisa gets an alert on her iPad. She opens the Mobi dashboard and sends back a message with pricing and competitor information. Meanwhile, Jeff gets the alert. He quickly opens a Mobi utilization dashboard, does a what-if analysis on increased demand, and sends back a confirmation email with a PDF of the new service level scenario attached. A few moments later, Chuck is showing the customer what they have to offer and laying out the terms. The client is pleased, acknowledges the offer, and Chuck walks out with a signed contract. Grow your business and drive profitability with Mobi. Let our consultants at Meekin Associates show you how. Visit us at www.meekinassociates.com to get started.